So I just got my hands on the new KKW and Makeup by Mario collab. So this actually got here a day before Thanksgiving and it is now a day after Thanksgiving. But I wanted to open it up with you guys and just really play around with it. I went ahead and opened up the box and let's go ahead and unpackage this. So I just love the inside. It's like a really pretty, like that nude peachy pink color. I love it. And it says KKW right here on this side. Even the tissue paper is that same color. I think this is the lip liner and lip gloss. So this one is the Beauty Icon lip liner, the Proud of You lip gloss. I love the matte packaging. Here are the other 3 items in here. This must be the blush. This one is called Very Graceful. He's a mixer lipstick. Let's go ahead and open up the eyeshadow palette. This one is the Artist and Muse. I love that. Like, as a makeup artist, you really do have to find your muse, like find your inspiration. And oh my gosh, that's so cute, so pretty. So here's a quick overview of the eyeshadows. Alright, so I'm so excited to try this stuff out, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. The first color I'm going in with is called Glam King, and I'm gonna try something different than I usually do. I'm gonna add the darker color first, just on the outer corner. I usually go in with a transition color first, but I just wanted to try this technique out and just play around with this look. Now I'm gonna go in with Don't Move and just apply that right above that first color, and then start blending it in. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm just bringing it over right underneath my brow. Now I'm just going to take a more detailed eyeshadow brush and apply I'm Inspired right on the bottom near my lash line. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply NYC to LA on the middle. Now I'm just going to apply Beauty Campaign right in the inner part of my eye. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and apply lashes. I always make sure to curl my lashes, give it a few pumps just so that my real lashes stick to my falsies. I feel like that's what makes my eyes really pop. Now for my under eye, I'm going to take Glam King and just blend that on my lash line. And then I'm just bringing that upwards to blend up, so it kind of gives me like a natural cat eye. And then going back with the first brush that I used under my eyes and just blend that out, make sure that there's no harsh lines. Now taking Beauty Campaign on a more small detailed brush, I'm just adding that right into my inner corners. So I decided to go with a nude eyeliner to give my eyes more of a natural look. I'm gonna go in and quickly contour my nose. I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and my Luxie and JD Weighty nose contouring brush. For bronzer, I'm going in with MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. Now for the blush, I'm going to use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill blush brush, and I'm just pressing the color on right here, right above my bronzer. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Ofra Highlighter Duo Compact. I believe this one is called Bellini. I feel like sometimes when I apply highlighter, the blush kind of disappears, so I'm just going to go back in with the blush and just apply it again right over. So that is it for the face. Now I'm moving on to the final step, which is the lips, and I'm just so excited to see what this lip combo will look like. I also applied a little bit on the outer corners of my lips to give it a little bit more dimension. Oh my gosh, that is just the perfect nude lip. I'm gonna be wearing this lip combo all the time now. I am obsessed with this collection so far. Like I said, I was really interested in this collection because it was curated by a makeup artist. Alright you guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me get ready, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!